Hi, happy to announce membership program in our YouTube channel. So whatever you're getting in our YouTube channel, all this current affairs, all this history, geography, all this GK, all this mathematics, everything will be there. In addition to that, you'll have an exclusive rights to have certain things. Okay, let me explain. First one is foundation level. In the foundation level, you have to pay 59 rupees per month. Once you pay 59 rupees per month, what you'll get is, in addition to all the resources, you'll get 2 unlisted videos exclusive for you. That is the first perk. Second one is you have 5 current affairs community post exclusive for you. That's the second one. And third one is you'll have right to vote in our this one topic selection. Like for example, I will be floating, I have 4 topics in my hand. In which topic you want a video, you can have a say on that. You can put a vote on that. So which topic is getting maximum number of votes, we'll make a video for us. Okay, so this is a foundation level. We have advanced level, that means foundation advanced. So in this, what you have to pay 159 rupees per month, and whatever I have mentioned so far, all things will be available. In addition to that, you have a discount on our courses. Okay, whatever course we are conducting, you can join, and it will be discount in that, and you'll have a our mobile app will be there. You can use it. Okay, that is there. Then yearly access to the videos. Okay, 10 to 15 days advance notification for you in our videos. That is the second perks. And third one is, okay, once in a week. Okay, once in a week I'll come and I'll have a live interaction with you, and you can ask whatever questions you got, whatever doubts you got, I'll be clarifying it. Okay, this is the advanced foundation advanced, that is second membership. Third membership you have got is a regional one. Okay, this is for Tamil people. Okay, so இதில் நான் என்னன்னா எடுக்கிறனோ எல்லாமே தமிழ்ல எடுத்திருப்பேன். செஷன் எடுக்கிறதும் வந்து தமிழ்ல இருக்கும். இதுக்கு வந்து 199 rupees நீங்க வந்து per month pay பண்ணணும். Okay, this is the third one. Fourth one is actually known as crash course. Okay, we have to pay 399 rupees per month, and whatever I have mentioned, everything will be there. In addition to that, MCQs will be there, multiple choice question will be there with the explanation, and discount on our course will be there. WhatsApp chat will be there. Okay, so this is very important. You can send me a message, whatever doubts you got, I'll be replying it immediately. No need to wait for my live chat. Okay, so this is the third one. Fourth one is rupees 799 per month. This is a direct coaching, direct course. Okay, it is like I'm giving you personal guidance and teaching you everything what is required to pass the exam. Okay, in this you have to pay 799 per month. So I'll be giving a phone call. You can call me anytime. You can ask your doubts, and I'll be completing syllabus for you guys also in this. Okay, these are the 5 membership program. Depending upon your need, depending on your convenience, you can join any one of this, and all this will have very fantastic videos and classes and information for you to prepare for the examination. Thank you very much.